minimum cost to partition a binary string. You are given a binary string s, and you also given a in cost and the flat cost. This string is a binary string, so that will contain only 1 or 0. So and you have to partition it into segment. Initially, the whole string as a segment. You can divide this string into two parts, and again you can divide this string into two parts, and this can also divide into two parts. Only when the condition is the cost is if x is 0, which means the one in the string, suppose here 1 is 2 times, then the cost is, if x is greater than, then x will become 2. So x is greater than 2, then cost will be length of the string. Length of the string is 3, and the x is 2, and the int cost will given. So the cost of this segment is 3 into 2 into int cost. And also if the x is 0, then the cost is only the given flat cost. And you can divide the string into two parts only when the length of the segment is even. Like if this segment is even, then you can only divide into two parts and check the, and you will add the cost of both segment. So you have to retain the minimum possible cost. How we can do this? We will recursively divide this segment into two parts. Suppose this is the whole segment. Suppose the length is 8. Then we have three cases. Either this whole string is given giving minimum cost, which is the current cost. If the whole string is given the minimum cost, then we will return that cost. If not, then we will divide into two segment. This is the one segment which of length 4. This is also a length of 4. Then recursively we will check either this whole segment will give the minimum, or the or the divide, if we divide into two parts, that will give the minimum. Suppose this will give the 5 cost and this give 5, or you can say 25. Then the whole, suppose this whole segment is giving the cost 60, and if the segment after dividing into two parts giving 25 and 25, then we will return the minimum of these two. What? This is the minimum of 25 plus 25, which is minimum is 50. So we will return 50 from the, let me change the color so that, we will return 60 comma minimum of 60 comma 50, and same way we will do on the right side also if we divide into two parts. So the the cases are, we will calculate the left cost and the right cost. Left cost means the segment on the left side, and the segment on the right side cost, and we will return the minimum of both these two, current cost and the left cost plus right cost. So the solution is very simple. First you need to, suppose this is the whole, what we are, yeah, whole string, suppose 1 1 1, this is a string. Then we will first calculate how, because we need the count of x is the count of ones or sensitive. Then we will need a count of one in a sub array. But how we can do, how we can calculate in big of 1, we just need to pre-compute the prefix ones. If we know the how many ones in whole this array, which is 4, and we know the number of 1 in this array also, then we can simply find how many ones are present in this subarray. That will the difference of these two. Here one function get one count, that is the prefix ones of on the right side and the prefix one on the left side. This is like, this is array, then this is a whole, is the prefix of ones on the right, this is the point right, and this will the left pointer. So we will just return the difference of these two. And this, what is segment cost, it will depend on the cases. If x is 0, which is the one count, if x is 0, then we will return the 0 segment cost, or you can say flat cost. And if the length is greater than, if the x is greater than 0, then we will return the length, or you can say L into the count of 1 into encryption cost. And we will divide this array, we will divide whole, we will divide, suppose initially we have the array length, let me choose pen. Suppose initially we have the whole array, then we will check the length. Here we are checking the length. If the length is odd, then we cannot do anything, we have to return the current cost, because we cannot divide it into two parts. If not, then we can divide into two parts. So we are doing that things here. If the this is the current cost, the cost without the splitting, that is the current cost. If the length is odd, then we will return that cost. If not, then we will find the what is cost on the left side and what is the cost on the right side, and we will take the minimum of these two. So that is a very simple, we have to just divide and checking the conditions. Thanks for watching this video.